DJ Delz.
Funko Pop addicts, what's good? It's your boy DJ Delz. We've got the James Harden Funko Pop. LeBron James right here. If you're new here, of course, subscribe. We have tons of Funko Pop. We don't just do sports Funko Pop. We got Marvel, Stranger Things, WWE, movies, so much. So if you're new here, welcome to the channel, and please subscribe and bang that thumbs up button right now for the out of the box look. Let's take James Harden out of the box. And here we go with James Harden. Definitely looks like him. Pose is very similar to LeBron James's pose, I must say, which is all good. I mean, it's not that serious, but it kind of is exactly the same now that I think about it. Let's like put them side by side. Yeah, it's the exact pose. There's something I noticed with these two right here, but again, up close, take a look. He is available now. Guaranteed mint condition. I'll link it in the description box below. Highly recommend you getting this one. Really awesome Funko Pop. There's a side profile. Looking at the back, the mohawk and the fade. They stepped it up, Funko. They really did. They used to not know how to like execute when someone had like the fade on the side of the head. You know, like they'd make it look all stupid, but it actually looks really dope now. Of course, you see his jersey. And there's a link at his other side. And there you go with a close-up HD look at James Harden. Once again, if you're looking for him, I will link him in the description box below. Guaranteed mint condition. That will be in the description box. I highly, highly recommend you picking him up. Also, there's a huge deal going on with Daryl from The Walking Dead. On sale for only $2.99. To me, one of my favorite Funko Pops that I own when it comes to The Walking Dead. So, I mean, for that price, it's such a steal. And getting back to James Harden, let me know what you think of this Funko right here. And don't forget to enter the giveaway for this Audrey 2 Funko Pop. I will be announcing a winner toward the end of the week. And all you got to do to enter is thumbs up this video. Then go to the video where I actually give all of the information to this giveaway right here. That will be linked in the description box below, where I purchased 7 of these to see how many chases I was able to get out of ordering 7 of the same Funko Pop. It's a great video, highly entertaining. People seem to love these videos, so check that out. And all the instructions are toward the end of the video, so make sure to watch the entire video. I will be announcing a winner soon on this amazing Audrey 2 Funko Pop, one of my favorites to release last year. That's it for today's video. Much love out there, and I'll catch you guys next time. We out.